Hey, sweetheart. Come here, come check out the stars. It's such a clear night tonight. When am I coming to bed? In a little while. But first, there's some things I want to show you. Come here. I have my whole telescope rig set up here with my laptop and everything. There are some really great deep sky objects out there for excellent viewing tonight. Let me show you where I have the telescope pointed right now. Give me your hand, honey, and I'll point to a few stars. You see these three here? That's Orion's belt. Now what we're interested in is just below the belt, right about here. That's where our target is. Go ahead and step up here and take a look through the telescope eyepiece. Isn't it amazing? That's the Orion Nebula. It's over 1,000 light years away, with a mass over 2,000 times our sun. This is where new stars are being born. Stars form here when hydrogen and other gases contract under their own gravity. As that happens, the central clump of gas grows stronger and stronger and heats to extreme temperatures. Eventually, nuclear fusion will ignite and form a new star. And leftover clouds of gases that are far enough away from the star actually have the potential to form planets as well. I just love looking at this one because it's one of the brightest nebulae out there. You can really see a lot of detail. Around 700 stars reside here within the various stages of formation. I just love the blue-violet coloration. Those colors actually come from reflected radiation of the O-class stars at the center. Pretty neat, huh? Come here. You know, our love is kind of like a nebula like this. A vibrant cradle where dreams of ours are born every day. And I don't take it for granted for a second, baby. You look so beautiful here in the starlight. Hey, can you hear that? That swish swish sound that the telescope makes? I don't know why, but I really love that sound. Will you indulge me and let me nerd out for a little bit longer? So that is the clock drive on the equatorial mount, just below the telescope tube here. It makes those sounds when it's tracking an object to compensate for the Earth's rotation. It's called sidereal tracking. I think it makes such a pleasing sound. Maybe it's something about the frequency. Want to take a closer listen? Here, put your ear right here. Okay, let me show you something else now. I'm going to put in the coordinates of another object and tell the telescope to slew to it. Okay, here goes. I'm going to swap out the eyepiece for this one too. We're going to use this wide-angle 2-inch. This is my favorite eyepiece. It has a really comfortable rubber eye cup. Okay, I'm just checking that the target is centered. Let's see here. Yes, there it is. Wow, it looks great. Have a look here, honey. This is the Andromeda Galaxy. It's the closest galaxy to our own Milky Way and contains 1 trillion stars. Now, even though it's the closest, it's still over 2.5 million light years away, which means the light we're seeing from it now actually happened over 2 million years ago. For size comparison, the Orion Nebula we looked at before has a size of about 28 light years across, but this galaxy is over 200,000 light years across. Back when they first discovered these, astronomers like Hubble called them island universes. I always liked that name. Similar to our own galaxy, Andromeda has a dense cluster of stars at the center. And at the center of those resides a supermassive black hole. Now, how these black holes form is still somewhat of a mystery, but one interesting tidbit about them is called time dilation, which means as you get closer to a black hole, time slows down. Interesting, huh? Just look at all those stars. And there are still new stars forming here today as well. The spiral arms are rich with gas and dust, which fuels the birth of new stars. Just imagine all of the worlds out there, all of the mysteries and wonders that await us. A sea of unlimited possibilities. You know, when I think about us, we're like 2 stars dancing in the void, drawn together by a gravity only our souls can feel. And you and I together form our own island universe where anything is possible. Well, on that note, how about we go back inside now and go to bed?